Hi guys, so we're here in Turkey shooting Kara makeup with Burcu Kiratli. It's been so amazing. We had an amazing team, an amazing long day, but it's been good. And I think we got all the shots that we wanted. I can't wait for you guys to see them. It was the most amazing shoot. We had Ali Zishan's clothes on board. I have been a fan of Ali Zishan clothes for a very long time, so this is absolutely amazing. I'm so excited for you guys to see the photos. This is Hafsa from Team Ali Zishan, and we're in Turkey shooting with Burcu for our bridal collection in collaboration with Kara Makeup, and it's just an amazing experience. The people here are wonderful. Thank you.
Hi, this is Ashabir from the Cactus Agency, and we are in Istanbul shooting a super special, exciting project with an amazing team. I just want to say a big thank you to Kara for inviting me on this amazing project and to work with some amazing brands, and also to be reunited with Rehan and Salman Siddiq. So thank you for having me, and I am super excited to release these amazing images and motion film. And Istanbul, we shall see you again very soon.
Promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3 sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Vamos 1, 2, 3 sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, y todos esos placeres que brinda la vida, que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, y todos esos placeres, como acariciarte, conocerte de raíz. Recupera la fe cuando yo a ti te vi, mami. Bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny, tu flow bastante cari, alright. Hermoso y con timites me gusta, y con esas sencillas que asusta. Sabe bien cómo es que es combi completa, de cabeza a los pies. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono. Te subo el pitch y te derrito el cono. En mis historias siempre te menciono. Pa' esa reina necesito un trono. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono. Con esos besos, chica, me emocionó. Con tus besos y tu nivel, yeah. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, y todos esos placeres que brinda la vida, que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, y todos esos placeres, como acariciarte, conocerte de raíz.
So thank you so much for joining us today. So what did you think of the shoot today?
Çok teşekkür ediyorlar.
I'm very excited for working to Kara because I love her.
So have you seen any of the photos? Have you seen any of the backstage photos?
Yes, I really like it.
You love that?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
What was your favorite shot? Is it out on the balcony or?
Burnuna hızıma takılan.
Yeah, you know, you put something on her nose, your special.
Oh, the nose
Yes,
ring.
yeah.
The nose
Yes,
ring.
she
yes,
loves that.
I really like it.
And have you done a Pakistani bridal shoot before?
No,
So it's your first.
yes,
And how
first.
did you find it?
For Kara. First for Kara.
How did you find it? You liked it?
Yes,
Fun?
yes.
Heavy, very heavy outfits, isn't it?
Like Dirilish Ertugrul costumes like fast.
She's used to it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome.